You may have watched all the videos or maybe part of the videos on my YouTube lectures on data science and machine learning. This channel was quite dead for for quite some time. So I thought I should come and talk to you guys online and make a positive contribution in your career and future as well. So today, what I want to talk about with a cup of tea from the city of Calgary, I want to talk about the dark factories. Many people come to me, many individuals, and many of my students talk to me and ask about what jobs are going to be replaced by AI. And typically, many of the people who are in the typical labor market and they are repeating the same things again and again daily, they do have concerns as well. So you may hear the sound or voices behind me. So it's some kind of competition going on. So pardon, sorry about those noises. So let's get back to a concept of dark factories. So think about a situation nowadays where you are actually going to work daily and you're doing the routine job. If I'm the one who is trying to build a factory, who is actually building cars. So, what will happen? So, you will come to the workplace, you will repeat the same task, you will be assigned to finish one task. Maybe you need to assemble one part of the car. So, you're going to repeat that task again and again and again. Maybe at the end of the day, you're making 50 pieces, or some of you guys some of other co-workers are a little slow and they are making 25 pieces per day. So on average, two persons in 8 hours are costing the expense for those 8 persons are 75 pieces. And well, they are creating 75 pieces, which is a productivity. And the on the expense of there is a light in the factory you are using, there are washrooms, lunch rooms, and all the facilities that any human require. Um, you work for 8 hours, and during those 8 hours, you may end up spending some time on coffee, tea, talking to each other. So, on average, maybe you lose, or the owner lose another 1 hour or more, less than 1 hour, but whatever it is. So, from 24 hours, an individual worker is working for 6 to 7 hours and the factory is closed during that 6 to 7 hours. The humans are using washrooms and we need someone to clean those washrooms at the end. They are using lunchrooms, we need to clean those lunchrooms. They are using coffee rooms, they are talking to each other, and they are doing the same task again and again. They're coming to the factory daily and doing the same task. Do we really need this thing the way how it's going on? What if I want to replace humans? So yes, that is less expense in the long run for me and more productivity. If I replace human for routine tasks by robots, and they are working 24 hours, I don't need electricity for them, I don't need washroom for them, I don't need coffee for them. So it's going to be very different infrastructure for the factory as well. So I can turn on most of the lights, or I can turn on all the lights, and those robots will be working for me 24/7. So technically, my productivity is at least increased by 4 times, or maybe more than 4 times, because I don't expect one robot to finish or complete 50 pieces and the other one to finish or complete 20 pieces. So they are most likely to finish the same amount of or same number of pieces together. So this concept is already implemented, and these factories are known as dark factories. And these dark factories are actually replacing all the labor market in most of the countries. Typically in China, there are many dark factories. You can think about several auto industry. The robots are working, and in future we expect that people are going to develop the factories with a little bit extra expense in the beginning, but they are going to recover everything or every penny within a less amount of time, and they are going to create more uh, profit for them and for the business. So now think about which direction we are moving and which direction you should be thinking to tailor your future or your career, whether you're an engineer, you're a doctor, or anyone. The dark factory concept is going to change everything, typically in the labor market. So with this, with this, I'm going to finish, and we'll try my best to talk to you once in a while, and hope that you are going to learn the skills that are related to the upcoming days, and you are going to secure your future more related to the data related skill set. So with this thing, thank you, and talk to you again soon. Thank you. Bye.